The Boeing 767 is an aviation icon. Here's why. Buckle up. First flown in 1981, it changed air travel. Boeing's first wide-body twinjet, it made long-haul flights more efficient. Seating around 200 to 375 passengers, it's a favorite for passengers and airlines. Two powerful engines, Pratt & Whitney, General Electric or Rolls-Royce, give it a max range of over 6,000 miles. Fly New York to London or Tokyo to Honolulu. It's also a cargo superstar. FedEx and UPS fly hundreds every day. The 767 is a workhorse, a pioneer and a global traveler. Aviation fans, what's your favorite Boeing? Drop it in the comments.